beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. My name is Iandra Baburam. Just a quick little update before we get into it. Yeah, my name is Iandra Baburam. My favorite color is purple. What else you guys would love to know? Them now come to me now, but comment in the comment section and I'll answer what you want to know, especially if you're new to the channel, or probably I should do an updated Q&A. Yeah, I probably should do one of those. Long time now I'm gonna do one Q&A. Yeah, because enough little things change, you know. Like probably my favorite juice. Well, not my favorite juice. My favorite juice never ever change. Favorite juice, soursop juice. Without milk. With lime. Anyways, enough of that. Enough of the chatting. I'm here to brag about how we made it. We made it to 2024, guys. Then God good he? No, I have to big up God. For me personally, 2023 did rough. But I'm not here to complain. I'm here to give God thanks. Give God all the glory because I'm alive and I'm well. And I'm trying to do better than I was doing yesterday. I can't believe so we're in 2024. I mean, I don't realize how the time really flies. Thank you guys so much for the support. A long time when I tried the journey with me now. I appreciate every single one I wanna. Trust me. No, this is the first time picking up back the camera since 2024. I did nothing January 1st. I went to my bed. I did a plan to go watch fireworks, but that never worked out. I just go sleep. Normally, I don't love go out when it's crowded and stuff like that. So, I don't feel no way. I really wanted to watch the fireworks, but it's okay. And then yesterday, Jason and I went on the road. We could just do like a road trip, free women, eat some food, and that's about it. Came back in and sleep. Just got out the shower, washed my hair, put it in a little bun and twist it, and do a little skincare routine. That's why I shine like pear. So if you wonder, just some coconut oil on my face. But yeah, that's I'm just there, I'm just a chill. I want to do something in this video as well. I've never done this type of video, but I'm going to put it in this video because I think it would be fun, because I've never posted any content like this, and so late. Oh guys, not to mention the time is 10:47. So it's kinda late, not really too late, but yeah, I soon bedtime. Yeah, what did I say? I've never done any content like this before. No, me and one cousin. The lady dreams of her pregnant and she not stop bothering me. Every time me and her up on a video call, see her. If we not have cousin, wanna live good. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. My cousin, yeah, she dreams of her pregnant. Yeah. If you don't have cousin, then you'd probably know what me I go through, because me and some of my cousins them live really good. We text and laugh and yeah, so we have a cousin band there and we not give each other. No, me can't say nothing, I'm not feel no way, even though me I tell her, so listen, I am not pregnant. But me don't feel no way because when it was her time, me did I say, hey, God, I don't know the whole cousin one. Anyways. No, she dreams I'm pregnant and she not stop nagging me. So I'm going to prove it to her. I'm going to take a pregnancy test and I'm going to send it to her. I know I'm not pregnant. We know when for fret. We know when to be worried. And I'm not worried. Hold on. Do. Man, since we take up the pregnancy test, one little part of me I said, so we're gonna do it. We're going to do the test. I'm going to send it to give her. She did a call me and I did a ignore it because I promised I'm going to take one test and send it to give her. But no, I'm telling her from what time that. Alright, so I'm telling her that from 7:20 and right now at 10:50. Yeah. So she probably feel like me take it and then me see something and me I try to hide from her because she has said, oh, me did it right. Da, da, da. But yeah, I'm going to take it and send it to give her. Somebody bring one cup in here. And piece of napkin. So excuse me guys. I'm going to urinate in the cup. And come back. Alright? Okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. So the pee is secured. And we'll go do it now. I might just video call her so I can get her reaction on camera instead of sending her the picture. Yeah, that would be fun. Okay. Let us say no answer. Her phone upon do not disturb it look like. Alright, it has a no answer. May I try call one last time. That's a no answer same way. Come on, something focus now. Wait, let me turn. Alright, anyways, now I get her in our focus. And we're gonna do a test though. I'll just send her the picture. I always have pregnancy tests and ovulation tests. This one I have now. And my cousin did carry down them here. Not the cousin, when me talk about now, my other cousin. She brought down these. So we dip it. Dip it. And we wait on the result now. But yeah, when I did go doctor the other day, I did do one test. Let me get my phone ready for send her. Babe, I could make it rest. I'm not pregnant. I don't know why my something now focus. Let me insert it. Let me take a picture. Send it go here. I phone upon do not disturb as usual. Now I get her. Anyways, I don't know what some people have phone for now. You see how my sister can never call my sister and get my sister. Let me have video it. You can come off from my back now, young lady. Okay? See it there. Thank you. I never did a fret because I know. You will know based on your menstrual and stuff like that. Even though you can see a menstrual and still be pregnant. Plus, I did one pregnancy test the other day. When I did go doctor. And I did just know, to be honest. I knew it. I wasn't. But just to get my cousin off of my back, worse when she got tell me, say, remember when time Kayla did pregnant? And it was true, Kayla was pregnant. And I wonder what me I talk about that was so random. That I did one conversation I did fear having in my head. Anyways, we have a friend named Kayla. And she did dreams that Kayla pregnant and Kayla was really pregnant. And Kayla never knows that she did pregnant. So, even though I never did worry, that did, in my head, me I said, she might be onto something, Yo, is it from that happen? You can't tell her if you're a dream, them go say, see, every dream when she dream, she always think I say it go. Not like if me did find out I'm pregnant, I would have been sad. I would be happy. I would be hella happy right now. Babies are a blessing. As me say, I just take it to get my cousin off of my back, for sending go give her. And me I say, you know what? I'm just put it in another video because I know it would have been, something for rock up on the nerve. Like how my nerves did. A bit shaky. But yeah, that's that, beautiful people. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks. You have tried the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.